Ever since Andy and I moved from Kelowna to the west side, we kind of misplaced our little handlebar mount. So if you follow me for a little while and you were wondering why you couldn't see me during the motovlogs, well, that's why I misplaced the handlebar mount. So what does a good YouTuber do? Well, buys another gear, right? And with this, we basically have to review this new gear. So let's jump on the bike and see how it works.
Dim 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 dim. Camera. Adapter thingy. Another adapter thingy. And that adapter thingy. Okay, so this part here will go on the handlebar itself. I'll do that first now. So these guys, actually, I'm not sure if you can tell proper, but they already have like a rubber band in them, which means they're not going to loosen up, hopefully, due to the vibrations of the bike. Oh, that doesn't even fit proper. Oh, that's a bummer. Huh. Okay, so this little plastic thing is not really made for motorcycles. Now you have another size in there. I do not. Okay. It will have to do. Still going to do that. And do that. And we're still going to tighten it well enough. Regardless. It's going to be fine. Good enough. Okay. So, after 10,000 hours of fixing this thing onto my handlebar, what I have to do now is putting these two parts, action camera on it. So it's like a little ball system, which means I have to loosen that part, put that in here, and at the same time put it around the ball here on this end, and then secure it proper, and hopefully it all works out. So I will do that, and then just adding this little screw here. Oh, I really do hope this is going to be strong enough. Okay, so far, so good. So there is a little adapter that comes with it, so I could secure the camera not on like just a screw mount, but actually on like one of these typical GoPro stick things. You know what? I think we're going to try this, and let's hope that the camera doesn't fall off. If it does, new camera for me, I guess. Okay, let's go to work. Well, and just like that, you are finally sitting on my handlebar again. Look at that! I really do hope the image stabilization in my Akaso is going to handle the vibrations pretty darn good. Because, to be honest, the Akaso image stabilization is not as good as the GoPros. I mean, by far. But it's a cheap camera and it falls off my handlebar. I will survive it. So first impressions, looks pretty darn good. The setup for this one was actually pretty easy. Just hope you don't hear the wind too much, because guess what? I forgot my chin skirt again. I definitely have to buy one that's kind of just fixed in the helmet, because I'm clearly not learning my lesson. Anyways, mounting it was pretty darn easy, except that it was a little bit of annoying as I did not have the right tools. Anyways, like it was set up like in less than 5 minutes. Looks pretty darn sturdy. And I
really do like the fact that because of all the balls that are there, that the mount and the direction of it is really flexible, so you can adjust the camera to whatever angle you want, really. And one other reason why I actually bought kind of the extended version of a mount was the wide angle of the Akaso is not really too good. So for me to have a chance to get the camera still like 2 inches backish from where I had it before is going to make a huge difference on how it crops me, so you can hopefully see more of me. I will have a comparison image right here, like somewhere in the corner, that shows how it was cropping me before without, like with the old handlebar mount I had. So you have a comparison. I will have the link to all products in my description down below, because honestly I just bought them off of Amazon. Easy peasy. Right now I'm using only the screw mount on the bottom of my Akaso because I wanted to try it to see how sturdy it can get, and I don't really like the housing that the Akaso comes in at that would allow you to actually mount them on like one of these typical GoPro mount thingies, just because the glass and the lens are always smudgy no matter how much I try to clean them, which then of course sucks for like image quality in your case. It's busy today. I was not expecting it to be that busy. Like it's about 12 o'clock right now. I was working half day today from home, and now I'm going into my workplace just for a meeting where I thought, okay, I will avoid the rush hour in the morning and the evening. I can fly through the traffic, but there are quite a few cars in my way. Very annoying. But hey, honestly, I'd rather I'm in the traffic on my bike than in a car. At least this way, the driving part or sitting in the traffic part makes it a little bit more fun. Unless it's burning hot and you're standing on every traffic light. Different story. I explained it all in my last rush hour video. Rush hour traffic video I put online. Oh, and with this being said, that just reminds me, because this video is not just a handlebar mount review. No, I have some very exciting news that are going to affect the channel like enormously, like that will affect the channel big time. That's so difficult to explain without really spoiling any of it yet. But the next video is going to be the big reveal of some big news. So just in case you didn't do it yet, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notifications so you're not going to miss the next video with the big freaking news where I'm so pumped about. Like Annie and I both, we are super stoked. Super stoked. We were waiting on that for probably about 3 years now. And this is so exciting. If you have a guess on what it might be, leave me a comment down below, because I'm just curious if you guys have any thoughts about it. For some of you it might be as a surprise, for some of you it might be totally not unexpected. Oh, but I don't want to spoil it yet because I want to make another video out of it. Oh no. Oh no. What? And I will just sneak in right there. There we go. I have no idea why it's so backed up. Did I not just tell you how at least being stuck in traffic on a bike is a little bit more fun than in a car? Well, that might have been karma right there. Oh, there's an extra wide load crossing the bridge. That's why we cannot pass. Okay, that makes sense. I just hope
this extra wide load is not going to go all through downtown. After chit-chatting with you for just a few minutes here, I must say I'm still really liking the extra handlebar mount. It seems very secure. You're still sitting on my handlebar, so that's a good sign. I hope that the vibrations are also not too harsh on the camera, just because there are a couple of extra links in the mount now rather than being directly on the handlebar. First impression, I must say I really do like it. Like I said, the vibrations would be the only thing I'm not sure about, but that really comes down to the end result, because I have no idea how good the image stabilization is. If you have a GoPro, might be not a concern whatsoever anyways, but you know what I mean. And that is the end of this video, of this review, the announcement that something super exciting is going to come to the channel. Like, super exciting. So before you leave this video, make sure you gave it a big thumbs up, because it's going to help me tons with the algorithm. And if you didn't do it yet and you really like that kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel. And then also turning on the bell notifications, because you know, you're not going to miss a big announcement next week. Anyways, I hope until then you guys are riding safe out there and having fun. And then we will see each other next week. Bye!